I've been tinkering with the bird box last couple days. I still have a whole pile of plastic panels out of the back of this car, and yeah, I haven't got the armrests on or some of the trims off right now, but it feels good to have the door pads back on. These are the new ones, way better than the old ones. So I've got the door pads installed, and I was thinking about changing the armrests. The armrests are originally white. White is pretty rare in these cars. My hands are always dirty when I'm working on the car, and it seems like I spend more time working on it than anything else. So this is getting dirty, and I've managed to find some black ones. So these were the clean ones, but this is the driver's side, and it's got some marks in it, and it's got some paint or something on there. It'll probably come off, but I had this dirty pair and I cleaned them up a little bit, and I think the dirty one is going to be better condition after it's fully cleaned. So I'll probably just, even though these are a matching pair, I'll probably use those two. I'm going to put some black ones on, and hopefully they'll hide the dirt better. There's a lot of black in this car. Top of the console is black, the top of the dash is black, steering column is black. The carpet, I dyed it charcoal. So, and then the tops of the doors, they're black. So black armrests will blend in fine. The factory trim here is black around the handles. This trim under the dash, that's black there, but this one filler plate under here is white. So I'm going to put a black one there. I'm just going to change the armrests and this filler plate here because it'll be the same height as those factory black ones there. So I'll try to just make it black all the way across underneath here. And of course the armrests. So this is the white filler plate, and it's actually damaged a little bit. I didn't realize it was, but anyway. So the filler plate goes in there. So I might use this black one. I had a black one with had a badge here that said performance suspension on it, but I gave it away. Should have kept it. So I was thinking about putting the black one in there. I don't know, because it wraps around here, I'm not too sure, but that might just blend into the door better the way it wraps around. Okay, so I guess you gotta put this on first before the armrest can go on. Yeah, this locking tab, I don't know. It's a pain in the butt. Hey, there it is. So I should be able to line up. There's one screw here, and there's two screws here on the end. Okay, so I've got this trim piece plate on. So I've got a Torx 30 for the armrest, and I've got the screws or the bolts for the armrest. I should be able to put it on now. Alright, this is the last one, and then Bob's your uncle, Sally's your sister. I like that. And you know what? It just works. There's black up here, there's black around here, there's black on top of the console, on the dash, on the everywhere, on top of the seat tracks. There used to be a mirror control here for the remote mirror, for the manual mirror. But I think I'll just put one of these phony block off plates in here. I think that plate's supposed to go here. So I'll put the screw in here, and then I'll just put another block off plate here. It'll probably look factory, but I don't have the remote anymore. These are power mirrors. This door had every power option. It had power locks, power mirrors, power windows. So maybe they came off at GTA, but I can still adjust it manually, and I can still adjust it up and down and left and right. And yeah, I just have to adjust it manually, basically. So I'll keep that for now. These are just not bad at all, and I can still adjust them. Okay, over on the passenger side, it's going to be the same thing. You think I'm starting to get some practice here. There we go. And then I'll tuck this tab in behind up front here and slide it forward. And bada bing, bada boom. I think I'll line this one up because I can see it with my eye. So I think I'll put that one in first this time, because lining these two up, it's kind of blind. Okay, there's that. Now the armrest. This one's got the screws in it already. You gotta watch these collars around. These collars can slide off, and often they'll be dried or damaged. This one's good. I had to reuse my old one on the other side because my old ones were good. So I'll get this one started far back, close to center as possible. Oh man, the mosquitoes are gonna chew on me now. There it is, right there. And then I'll get this one started back here. It's kind of nice to have the door pads back on it again, even though it's still in pieces. Armrest turned out pretty good. I'm gonna have to figure out something. I think that you can get plugs, like a round plug that goes there. I'll have to figure out something to do with the window crank spot, but yeah, it turned out nice. Black will make me a little bit happier with my dirty hands. A little bit easier to hide the dirt. A little bit more contrast. And I'm planning on putting a cup holder here somewhere. There's the original white color. It's kind of cool and kind of rare color. They only used it for a couple years, but like I said, my hands are always dirty, especially when I'm working on the car. So I think the black turned out nice. This is the one I didn't use. It was originally cleaner, but has marks on it, and I think it's not quite as good, even though it was cleaner. The dirty one's cleaned up nice, and yeah, I'm happy with the way it turned out. These are good condition. I know it's dirty, but it'll clean up. Just not my favorite color. I went to my buddy's place yesterday, and I finally got good tires put on the matching wheels, so I'll have matching wheels. She's been on the ramps way too long. These are the ones that match the front. They're two 45 size tire. So these are just some used tires that I got from my buddy. This is the size that I kind of would want on the car. They're a little bit bigger than what's on the front. They're a little bit wider and slightly taller. So it'll get rid of some of the wheel gap, maybe a little more traction. How you doing, fella? Oh, I see a smile in there. I see a smile. Oh, there it is. There's a smile. Yeah, there's a smiler. Good boy. Well, I finally got some tires put on the wheels. Got the matching wheels put back on it. It's been a while since I had matching wheels, but that's a relief. That's kind of nice. Alright, the mailman brought some stuff. Delco Professional. Got some brake parts cleaner, and then I've got some high temperature brake paint. I'm gonna paint them. These don't come with any bearings, so I got inner bearings, outer bearings, and seals. I've been tinkering with the bird box last couple days.